So it's 2025, and the question on everyone's mind is still the same. How do I watch the latest season of Stranger Things or that new mind-bending sci-fi movie without dropping more cash on another subscription? It feels like every single service wants a piece of your wallet, and Netflix, the OG of streaming, is no exception. The idea of getting it for free sounds almost like a myth, a legend whispered on internet forums. You see headlines promising secret codes or magic apps, but let's be real, most of that just sounds sketchy. The search for a free pass into that endless library is a modern-day quest for the Holy Grail. We've all been there, scrolling through new releases while friends talk about the latest hit. The fear of missing out starts to kick in. You pull out your phone ready to sign up, then you pause at the price. Another monthly bill? Really? It adds up fast. When people hear free, they often think illegal. Back alley websites, pirated streams, or sketchy software. Those are dead ends. They bring identity theft, malware, and brick devices. Not worth it. The good news? You don't have to go down that path. Companies like Netflix are getting creative with official promotions and partnerships. The classic 30-day free trial is mostly a thing of the past, a relic from early streaming. For a while, offers disappeared. But in 2025, they're coming back in new forms. Shorter, targeted trials tied to big launches are the new play. Think 7 or 10-day trials offered regionally for blockbuster releases. Step 1. Check Netflix directly, using a private or incognito browser window so cookies don't hide offers. Clear cookies or use private mode. Then look for homepage banners and campaign promos tied to new releases. Keep an eye on big ads. Billboards, YouTube ads, and premiere campaigns are often when trials appear. Example, tied to a kid's animated movie, a family I know got a 10-day trial. They binged, set reminders, and canceled before billing. Netflix's cancellation is straightforward. Set calendar reminders 1 and 2 days before trial ends to avoid charges. Think of it like a short-term rental. Full access, limited time, then hand the keys back before rent is due. Actionable tip, set 2 reminders. Watch quickly, cancel, repeat if eligible. This is one of the best and most overlooked methods. Your free Netflix might be hiding in plain sight. Telecoms and ISPs bundle streaming perks into premium plans to attract customers. Major carriers, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and others, often include Netflix in higher tiers. Log into your provider app, look for a perks or benefits tab, and check for activation steps. If eligible, link accounts. It usually takes 5 minutes to connect and confirm billing moves to the provider. Example, T-Mobile's top-tier plans may include Netflix on Us that you must activate from your account settings. Sometimes a small upgrade to your plan gives you Netflix, cheaper than paying separately. Actionable advice. Before signing a new phone or internet contract, ask if streaming is included. Ask sales reps directly, does this plan include Netflix? Deals change often. Check every 6 months. Many people are eligible and never activate it. You could be tossing money away each month. It's the definition of a smart hack. Check your plans and claim what's already yours. Take 5 minutes today to review your bills. It could save you over $100 a year. If you're a student, you're in a unique position. Companies love marketing to students. Deals often pop up around back to school, late summer and early fall. Register on student verification platforms like Unidays or Student Beans to unlock promotions. You may find extended trials, 3 months free or promo codes for standard with ads. Example, a student verified with their .edu email, redeemed a code and streamed through this semester. Check student life and housing. Some campuses bundle streaming into dorm packages. Parents, have college kids check these apps. It can add entertainment without extra household bills. Leverage your student status. Set alerts in August and September for the best offers. This method isn't technically free, but it's very close. The ad-supported tier is a budget favorite. Many viewers accept a few ads in exchange for access to the full library. Netflix's standard with ads is now central to promotions. Because it's cheaper for partners to offer, phone companies, credit cards, and ISPs often give it away free for a period. You'll see ads before shows and during natural breaks, roughly 4-5 minutes of commercials per hour. You can still download episodes and watch in full HD on many ad-supported plans. Example, new internet customers may get standard with ads free for a year, a great move for budget-conscious households. If paying, the ad-supported plan is the cheapest entry point, but always watch for partners giving it away. Look for this plan included with TV purchases, credit card signups, or carrier switches. It's the sustainable way partners can provide access without you opening your wallet. Bottom line, Be on the lookout for ad-supported plans given away through promotions. Here's a method that takes you offline and into the real world. Netflix often licenses content for free public screenings. Think movie nights in parks and college quads. These events are partnership-driven and announced on local feeds and Netflix social channels. Follow Netflix's local social pages, city event calendars, and university boards to find screenings. They're free, high quality, and offer the social experience of a premiere without a ticket price. Cities like LA and New York host Netflix in the Park, events showing family-friendly content during summer. You can't binge-watch a whole season, but you can join a premiere and be part of the buzz. Keep an eye on local calendars. Summer and big release windows are prime times for free screenings. Okay, quick, important chat about what to avoid. The internet is filled with scams promising free Netflix, often via fake login pages that steal your credentials. Websites selling shared accounts or account generators are illegal, unreliable, and often use stolen cards. These scams can install malware, compromise your payment info, and lead to identity theft. Accounts bought this way typically stop working in days, so you lose both money and safety. Netflix is a multi-billion-dollar company with security teams. A random website hasn't found a loophole. Rule: stick to official Netflix pages, your telecom or ISP site, and verified student platforms. Don't click suspicious links, download untrusted apps, or give credentials to third-party sites. The risk to your security and finances is never worth a few free episodes. Use the official methods we covered. So there you have it. Getting Netflix without paying full price isn't a myth in 2025. Recap: look for short trials, check your phone or internet bundles, use student deals, and embrace ad-supported plans. The number one hack for most people is investigating bundles. Netflix on Us promotions from carriers are consistent and long-term. Take 5 minutes. Check your phone and internet plans, search for trials, and see if you qualify for student offers. Be patient and diligent. The landscape is changing and flexible access is available for those who look. Watch smarter, not harder. Check your options today and enjoy the shows. If this helped, like and subscribe for more smart streaming hacks. Stay safe out there.